Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at Milestone Capital Growth Portfolio. It is Saturday, December 14th, and going to do a wrap up for the members, and I wanted to get a video out to all the non-members. Nice free video. As you know, Facebook that I've been giving you all last week has been doing fantastic, and if you're playing the options, they're going crazy. And if you're playing the stock, you're up several dollars since our alert. Anyway, just a quick update on the options portfolio that we did release 7 days ago. It is now up 411% and we have had 3 exit calls and we still have many more to go. So right now we're 411% and 3 of them, 2 were 100% plus gainers and the other one was 85%. And with several other stocks in the portfolio, then we'll redo the portfolio when it's time and create another one. Nothing else has been added to it, and nothing else has been taken away. This is just the way it is. All right, HLF, Herbalife. Well, this is a great mover, great trader, and a lot of fun. And we're still in a trend. And I want you to take a look at the trend and judge from there what's going to take place next. All right, so if we run the trend line from the bottom, we're going to use the lowest candles on the time frame that I have set in place here. If you want, I can go all the way back to the lowest, and it's still going to line up the same way after this consolidation. This was your other low. Okay, so we have the bottoms are all set and laid out. Now if we take the top trend line and throw it across the top, and you can figure out what kind of trend we're in. And the trend is, so you know what, I'm going to use this higher candle and then work off of the bodies of this one. Okay, so I'm just going to work off the bodies, and we're in a nice trend right here. So the 50-day moving average is coming up as support right now, and also the pivot point, which I don't have on this chart, but you know, it should be getting ready to bounce here at any time, unless it completely rolls over, but I don't think so. Your relative strength index is at 41. 30 is very oversold, and you've had 2 for 6 days of just selling. All right, so with all these 6 days of selling, and your support line right here, it always acts as support, and your 50-day moving average coming in as support, and a pivot line as support. This has a lot of support, and that's basically what it comes down to. So what you want to do now at this point is target your entry, and your entry is going to be the lower Bowley, 50-day moving average, and the trend line and the pivot. If you use a different chart to throw pivots up, and you can notice that. And then what you're going to do is look for the hammer or a wick, such as this one here, and that's going to pick your lowest entry. I would drop down to a 1-hour chart or a 15-minute chart to pick the best entry over in this area. It's going to be in the next 2 days, and either get calls of stock to head back up to the upside, and if you notice, we come off the bottom and we go to the top. All right, same with back here. Well, you know, if I drew it all the way out, you come off the bottom and then hit the top. So this could have a nice move to the upside, maybe $7 or $8 on this bounce, but it will need to get through the middle Bollinger Band first. If we don't get through the center line, then we're just gonna stay in a pattern of heading south. But it will move up and consolidate for a couple of days, and then make the decision either to break to the downside or break to the upside, depending on the momentum for HLF. All right, take a look at the weekly real quick. So looking at HLF on the weekly is in the same kind of pattern, same setup, and the weekly is set. If you notice, the middle Bollinger Band is right on this line here. So for a weekly perspective, okay, what you want to look at is if it breaks this support on a weekly frame, okay, then you know that it's going to head lower. If it bounces off this middle Bowley, you know it's going to head higher. So that's the way you want to look at. That's the way you want to look at this. That's the trend for HLF is up at a good clip, and you've just had 1 week. You know, the Dow got pounded, so this is taking some profits off this double top here. So you know, you're taking profits, but we should be bouncing here and moving up to the upside. So HLF looks good for a bounce, unless it breaks the support. If it breaks the support, then we're going lower. So keep an eye on HLF. All right, members, I have a big video. You know, Facebook and Twitter. Twitter was crazy for us on options. Facebook has been great for us. Also, Apple is dropping like we said it was going to do. We have some strike points we want to make sure that you guys get to keep an eye on, and a few other stocks to take a look at. All right, everyone, this is Matt, and I will see you soon. If you're not a member, Remember, you have till January 1st to become a member at a discounted rate. All right. Have a great day.